So today we're going to be doing a comparison of Robinhood versus Charles Schwab. Now, what we're actually going to do is take a look at some of the most important features, first and foremost, which is going to be the fees and commission. Now, Robinhood does offer a commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. There are no account minimums or fees for just the basic use. Now, they do have a subscription if you want to pay for it, but it is not required and it does add additional features and benefits. Now, when it comes to Charles Schwab, they do also have zero base commission for online trades of US stocks and ETFs. However, if you wanted to do options trading, which is a bit more advanced anyways, it is going to have additional fees on top of that, as well as mutual funds and some other features. But the base version for both of these will be entirely free to use. Now, as we continue on with this list, if you like either one of these companies, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. Some of those links do have exclusive bonuses when signing up, so make sure you check them out. But I'll also take care of you as well and make sure you have some beginner guides when it comes to utilizing both of these platforms on their apps, so that way you can understand how to set up your account and get started with your investments. Now, the next thing we want to talk about is going to be the account types. Now, for Robinhood right over here, it's going to be a taxable account that you can get started with, as well as some retirement accounts. So you can do a Roth or you could do a traditional. You could even roll over an old 401k as well. Now, they also just recently started adding a joint account as well, so you can have your partner's account and yours connected together as well. Now, this is great if you want to have everything in one go for your investments. Now, when it comes to Charles Schwab, they do offer a much broader range of account types. They do also offer not just the brokerage and the IRAs, but they do custodial accounts, they do trusts, and as well as manage different types of financial planning services, all inside of one account. Now, when it comes to the next feature, this is an important one for me, is fractional shares. This effectively allows you to buy in much smaller dollar amounts without always needing to buy a full share of a single company or ETF. And at Robinhood, this is pretty much their core feature here. It actually supports the fractional shares where you can buy with as little as $1 to be able to get into your investment, as well as continue to build on top of it. Now, Charles Schwab also offers fractional shares, but they do call them stock slices, so just a little bit different. But this feature is primarily limited to all the S&P 500 companies, so still a lot available for you, but it is technically much more limited than what Robinhood offers. Now, next up is going to be dividend investing, which is one of my favorite words here. Dividends are when a company or an ETF pays you out in income and you can choose to have that reinvested. Now, that's typically called a DRIP program. As you can see here, Robinhood is a very user-friendly DRIP program. It's an easy toggle on or off if you would like to go ahead and make sure any companies that pay you out get purchased right back into those individual companies or ETFs, and it compounds for you. Now, Charles Schwab also offers a DRIP program, so these are both going to be similar in feature and availability on that back end. Now, next up is going to be the research and education. You can see here that the Robinhood platform offers essential research tools, including real-time charts and news. A Robinhood Gold subscription, which again is not required but is available for you, can do additional in-depth research, as well as Morningstar and level 2 market data. Now, Charles Schwab, on the other hand, is a much more powerhouse of research and education. Its platform provides a vast library of market data, third-party reports, education content, which is also a major benefit for investors who want to perform in-depth analysis. Now, we want to talk a little bit about optional premium services, and we talked a little bit about this earlier. Robinhood does offer what they call Robinhood Gold, which is a paid subscription for $5 a month as of this recording. The benefits include a higher APY on any uninvested cash, a 3% IRA match, which is huge right there, for any eligible contributions, larger instant deposits for you, as well as access to the Morningstar research that we talked about earlier, as well as a lower margin rate on borrowing if you wanted to go through that. Now, Schwab does not offer a single subscription fee like Robinhood, but instead they offer a variety of advisory services and managed portfolios that come with their own fees, often based off percentages of your actual assets under management, but technically no individual subscription for Charles Schwab. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you want to check these companies out, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to get your nice exclusive sign-up bonus, as well as those beginner guides, so you can actually get started with making sure you set up your account with whichever one you go with automatically for you based off of the content we made here. And I'll get you started right over here. I'll post one of those beginner guides on the screen here, so you can go ahead and click on there and get started right away.